Hey, I'm Ty with WTI, and this is the lighted LED reading light by Fulcrum. I love this thing so much because have you ever been on a plane and you try to turn that little light on above you and it's so bright that the people around you are looking as if they're disturbed? Well, that's why I bought this, so that it has this really discreet light. You just slide up this little clip here, and then you can read your book or write in your notebook or study. Also, they're good if you have a partner who doesn't like the lights to be on at night or can't sleep with a lot of light. These are really good to use, just a little private little light for yourself that doesn't bother anybody else. So I really like this light. It has a battery here that you put in, and it just really is it's simple and easy to use. I love this thing. And if you need a reading light that is discreet and doesn't bother other people, I highly recommend this one. And that's my point of view.